What is going on, everybody? Kyle here, back from Not So Beer Reviews. Hope you guys are all doing good. This is going to be my first unboxing slash unpackaging, whatever you guys want to call it. It'll be the first one on this channel, and I'm glad you guys are all here to see my first unboxing slash unpackaging. And if this is your first time watching, take a second, hit that subscribe button, please do that for me. But let's get right into it, guys. I got a package sent to me from believe it or not, Beard Crusher. His actual name is Brian, in case you guys don't know. But his beard channel, he does reviews and all stuff like that, is Beard Crusher. I'll put it right here so you guys can check it out. There you go. There you go. But he makes his own beard products, if you guys don't know. And he does a pretty damn good job at it. He just made a new scent. It's called Smoke and Apple. And I've been waiting for it. Brian's an awesome guy. I consider him a good friend of mine. We chat quite a bit. Awesome guy. Definitely go check out his channel. Show him some love, guys. And definitely pick you guys up some of this Smoke and Apple. Any of his products. Right here, guys. I got his Absinthe. I got his Sinful. I'm going to put him right here for you. And this is the Absinthe Beard Balm. But those are there. It's my little package opener here. This is pretty cool. This is from Pop Off Leather. It's called the Pocket Armor. I got the little Fisher Space Pen bullet pen right here. This is my Victorinox Pioneer X. Let's open this package up, guys. Sorry. Whoa. What do we got here? Oh, man. What does that say? Oh, shit. All right. What do we have? Ooh, I can smell it already. Oh, shit, Brian. Wow. Look at this bottle, guys. And the labeling. Woo! Damn, Brian. Good job, my man. Shake this sucker up good. Oh. Oh, goddamn. Oh, man. I wish you guys could smell this. Smell it. Smell. Oh. Man, that is good. There you go, guys. It's got a little bit of a yellowish tint to it here. But I don't want to get too crazy. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing. Oh, my God. Man, does that smell good. It's such a nice, sweet apple smell to it. Whew. Damn, Brian. Get this bomb out of here. There you go, guys. Check that one out, too. Man, I love this whole blackout thing you got going on here, Brian. This is cool, man. I mean, look at the difference in the bomb tins here. That's the new Smoke and Apple one. That's my Absinthe. You can see the difference in the tins. I like how we chose to do this black. Sweet. That's a good job with that, Brian. But let's open this one up. Oh, man. There's the bomb, guys. Oh, man. Good job, Brian. That shit is good, man. I've been waiting for that. And this one, too, I was not expecting this, Brian. Little hidden gem here. Oh, I can't really smell this one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Man, Brian, you're killing it, dude. You're killing it. I can't say enough good things, guys. I'm going to link his YouTube channel in my description below. If you guys are watching me, you probably know who Brian is. The guy, he's an awesome guy. He makes some great products, let me tell you. Don't slack, don't hesitate. Go check out his stuff. Send him a message. get in contact with him. Try some of his products, guys. You can't go wrong. This is some good stuff. I mean, without even putting it in my beard, I'm telling you right now that this smoking apple and this sacred ode, I think he's going to be calling it, are going to be, these two are going to be my new favorites from Brian. Definitely, hands down, man, without a doubt. Go check them out. I'm telling you. If I sit here, I'm just going to keep saying the same things over and over and over. Awesome stuff. Go check them out. Thanks a lot, Brian. You are the man, and I really appreciate this. Thank you.